What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's time for another Mentos Coke explosion, yeah! Okay, last time we tried it with mini Cokes and the explosion was pretty small. So this time we got two 2-liter bottles. We're gonna see if we can get this volcanic eruption right up into the sky. Let's get started. First, I've got a pack of Mentos. I'm gonna open them up. All right. Let's get these Mentos all poured out. Then, I've got a big idea. I'm gonna drill some holes in these Mentos. Check this out. Look at that, a nice hole. And then, to get them all in a line, I'm gonna stick the Mentos on a wire. So let's see if we can do this. All right, does this work? Okay, it does work. Mentos on a wire. Here we go, we're gonna drill some more holes. There's another one. Another one. Come on. Some of these are tricky. There we go. We got 3. Make sure that we don't drill right through this platform. All right, let's do a whole bunch of them. Here we go. Drilling Mentos. It's time to drill some holes in the Mentos, yeah. Let's drill them all up. You ever drilled a hole in a Mentos before? I doubt it. Oh yeah! It's drilling time! Drilling time, yeah! We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. All right. Let's see how we do. All right. How many Mentos should we put in? That's the big question. I don't know. Let's think. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's 6. Should we do 7? 7 could be good. All right. Let's try 7 for this one, and then we can do the next one. All right. So, okay. So now, we got all our Mentos in a line. So it should be easy to drop them straight in and make sure that they just go straight into the bottle without getting jammed up at all, because we don't want anybody to be jammed, you know? First thing, safety. Put the goggles on. Rock and roll, baby. Okay, we're gonna start with the regular Coke. 2-liter bottle, regular Coke. Here we go. Let's save the other Mentos. Get all our gear out of the way. Okay. We're gonna open it up. Ah, yes, there it is. Our bottle of Coke. Okay, everyone, this is the moment of truth. 7 Mentos in 2 liters of Coke. Here we go. Oh yeah! Awesome! Mentos explosion, yeah! That was sweet. All right. Let's do this one. Okay. We're gonna drill some more Mentos. That was fun. All right, let's be quick. One. 2. 2, 3. That's 4. You really got to try drilling Mentos. It's super fun. Drilling time, baby. Yeah. There we go. That's number 5. We're going to do a bit more this time. 6. That's 7. 8. Last but not least, number 9. Here we go. All right, so let's get another piece of wire that we'll cut off. All right. So we got our wire. Now we just gotta stick our Mentos on. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. All right, we need to make some room. 6. 7. 7 Mentos, baby. That's 8. Last but not least, number 9. Okay, so last time we only had 7. This time we got 9 Mentos, and instead of regular Coke, we're using Coke Zero, the black one. We'll see how this one goes. You guys ready? Let's open it up. Oh, hello. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Whoa! That's so delicious. Explosion time, baby. Yeah.